Hello students, good morning. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 1C, the circles chapter. In 1C, second bit, we have to learn the formulas related problems, the length of chord, the equation of tangent with slope m, one is parallel, another one is perpendicular, and show that the line is a tangent and find the equation of circles. Like these questions we are going to discuss in this class. Let us see that first question. Find the length of chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0 on the line y equal to x minus 3. Whenever length of chord is there concept, you have to find out from the equation of circle, radius and center. From center of the circle to the line, you have to calculate perpendicular distance. See that first step, given line, y is equal to x minus 3 and y we can take this side, x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1. Next, given circle, x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. Equation 2, compare with general equation of circle. We have 2g equal to minus 1, 2f equal to 3 and c equal to minus 22. So g equal to minus 1 by 2, f equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the radius of the circle equal to r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So g square means minus 1 by 2 whole square, f square 3 by 2 whole square minus c, minus of minus 22 plus 22. So 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, it is 10 by 4 plus 22. After taking LCM, it will become 10 plus 88 by 4. It is 98 by 4 r value. So after that, squaring on both sides, r square is equal to 98 by 4. Now center of the circle, center c equal to minus z minus f. So minus of minus z, that is minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus f minus 3 by 2. This is the center of the circle. After that, d value you can calculate. D equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle, that is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the circle, to the line x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So d equal to, we know that formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So in place of that line here, x, in place of x and y, you have to replace with 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by square root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. That is the meaning of a square plus b square. So 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 by root of 1 plus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Mod minus 1 divided by root 2. So that is 1 by root 2. D value is equal to 1 by root 2. Squaring on both sides, d square equal to 1 by 2. After getting the values of r square and d square, now you have to write the formula. The length of chord intercept by the circle on the line y is equal to x minus 3 is AB equal to 2 root of r square minus d square. So r square value is 98 by 4 minus d square value is 1 by 2. So 2 into square root of 49 by 2. It is divided by 2 here. That means cancel with 2. So 49 times the 2 2s are. So 49 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Whenever denominators are same, you have to subtract the numerators. Here plus is there, plus you can do, minus is there, minus. So 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 by 2, it will become 24. So 2 root of 24. 24 can be written as 4 into 6. So 4 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into root 6. Therefore, the length of chord AB is equal to 4 root 6. We'll move to the next question. See, in second bit, question number 3. Find the length of chord formed by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This problem is very important for 4 marks. First given line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. And given circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. Clearly it is standard equation of circle. Center, for standard equation of circle, center is always at origin. So c equal to 0, 0. And radius r is equal to a. R square is equal to a square means r is equal to a. Radius value we got it. Whenever length of chord is there, what we need to calculate? R value and d value. What is d? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle. Here center of the circle is what? 0, 0. Center of the circle to the line. That is equation number 1. So d equal to, whenever distance from origin to the line, we know that mod c by root of a square plus b square. This equation compare with ax plus by plus c. So p we can take this as minus p. So it will become mod c means mod minus p divided by root of x coefficient whole square, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha value is 1. Therefore, mod minus p is p. Therefore, d value is equal to p. So, after getting the value of d as well as r, now write the formula for length of chord. The length of chord AB is equal to 2 root of r square minus d square. That is 2 into root of a square minus p square. Now, we will move to the next question. The fourth question. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So, center of the circle given and touching the line, tangent equation is given. They are asking to calculate equation of circle. So, first, given that the center of required equation of circle, center is always denoted by as h comma k. Whenever it is not in the general form, we can assume that h comma k, center. C is equal to 2, 3, that is h comma k. Given line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here some condition is there. This line touching the circle, find the equation of circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line. The circle is touching this line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. That means what? That line is a tangent. Whenever the line is a tangent to the circle, the radius of the circle is equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. Therefore, r is equal to d. Radius of the circle is equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle. So, d equal to, r is equal to radius of the circle, that is equal to d equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square formula we are applying now to get that. So, 3 into x1 value is 2 minus 4 into y1 value is 3 plus c value is 1 divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So, 6 minus 12 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 16, that is equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Mod minus 5 divided by root 25. So, mod minus 5 is 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 get cancelled. We will get 1. So, radius of the circle is equal to 1. So, now we know that in previous classes we learned that the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We have the values of h comma k is 2, 3 and radius 1 unit. Substitute the respective values of h, k and r and get the equation of circle. See like this. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 1 square. That is expansion of a minus b here. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. That 1 square you can take this as minus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 9 plus 4, 13 minus 1 is 12 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle whose center is at 2, 3 and touching the given line. Next question, we'll move to the next question. See here, one more question is there, fifth question. This is important for either 2 marks or 4 marks. Find the equation of circle with center minus 3, 4 and touching the y-axis. Here this is a very important condition. According to the data, you draw the diagram first. Given center of required circle C of minus 3 comma 4. We know that minus 3 comma 4, where it will be lies? It lies in the second quadrant. Why? Because x coordinate of the center is less than 0, negative, and y coordinate of the center is positive. It will be possible in second quadrant. Therefore, the required equation of circle, it should be belongs to second quadrant and touching the y-axis also, touching y-axis. So observe the diagram carefully, and center is minus 3 comma 4. The circle touches y-axis. From here to here distance is equal to radius only now. That means the distance from any point in the plane to the y-axis is always x coordinate of the center. X coordinate of the center. So radius we don't know, but indirectly it is given when the circle touches y-axis. Here circle is, center is having minus 3 comma 4 and touching y-axis. Here center of circle is any point in the plane only. Therefore, the distance from point in the plane to the y-axis is equal to x coordinate. Here r is equal to, distance is always denoted by positive. So mod minus 3 I am taking here. So r is equal to mod minus 3, which is equal to 3. So radius of the circle we got it. And center of the circle is also, we know that minus 3 comma 4. So the required equation of circle will calculate by taking the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So h comma k is minus 3 comma 4, x minus of minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 3 square. So x plus 3 whole square expansion, x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16. That 9 we can take this side, minus 9 equal to 0. So plus 9 minus 9 get cancel. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle whose center is at minus 3 comma 4 and touching the y-axis. We'll move to the next question. This is also important for 4 marks or 7 marks. Prove that the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 of the circle x square plus y square equal to 13 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0 and find its point of contact. Here total 3 questions are there. First step is, given point for the given first circle, find the tangent equation. That is the first step. After finding the tangent equation at the point 3 comma minus 2, we will get one equation of line. That line we have to prove for second circle is a tangent. So that equation of tangent for the first circle is again tangent for the second circle. We have to prove that. So any line touching the circle means what we have to prove that? R is equal to D, we have to prove that. After that, and find point of contact also saying. The find a point of contact means for the second circle center to that line tangent to the first circle. Tangent to the first circle. You can calculate foot of perpendicular, the point of contact will come. So now let us have a discussion on this question. Given circle, first circle, that is x square plus y square equal to 13 and given point 3 comma minus 2. So the equation of tangent at 3 comma minus 2 to the equation of 1 is s1 equal to 0. Whenever it is in standard form, I already said that constant g, f and is not there. That constant you can take this side. Wherever x square is there, xx1. Wherever y square is there, yy1. We have to write it. So xx1 plus yy1 minus 13 equal to 0. In place of x1, y1, we have to replace with the 3 comma minus 2. So x into 3 plus y into minus 2 minus 13 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. This is equation of tangent at 3 comma minus 2 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 13. After that, what we have to do? This equation of tangent is again tangent for the second circle. Given second circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0. This is the second equation of circle. So for any line touching the circle, we need to prove radius of that circle is equal to perpendicular distance from the center of that circle to the line. So to prove equation 2 is a tangent to equation 3. So radius of equation 3 should be equal to perpendicular distance from center of equation 3 to the line equation 2. So radius of equation 3 we are calculating now. R is equal to root of this g value 2g is equal to 2 means g is equal to 1. 2f equal to minus 10, f equal to minus 5. C is equal to minus 26. So g square plus f square minus c. So 1 plus 5 square, that means 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Minus of minus 26 plus 26. 26 plus 26 is 52. Root 52, we can write it as 13 into 4. 4 we can take outside, 2 root 13. Therefore, radius of equation 3 is equal to 2 root 13. After completing of finding the radius of equation 3 from center of equation 3 to the line 2, equation 2, calculate the perpendicular distance now. Now D is equal to, I wrote the in previous questions the formula, you keep in mind, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square formula. So 3 into minus 1 and minus 2 into 5 minus 13 by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, that means 3 square plus minus 2 whole square. So 9 plus 4, 13. So minus 3 minus 10 minus 13. So minus 26 by root 13. Mod minus 26 is plus 26 by root 13. 26 can be expressed as 13 into 2 divided by root 13. Again 13 can be expressed as root 13 into root 13. One of the root 13 will be cancelled. You will get 2 root 13. Therefore, D is equal to 2 root 13. As well as we got it that the radius of the circle is also 2 root 13. Whenever radius is equal to perpendicular distance, then the equation 2 is a tangent to equation 3 circle. Hence the result. Till that second question also completed. Now we will move to the third concept in this, third step, third question. They are asking to calculate point of contact. So let us consider the point of contact be h comma k. The circle center is minus 1 comma 5. So this is x1 comma y1. From this circle center to the line 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. That equation is a tangent. For that we can calculate a point of contact. That means point of contact is equal to foot of perpendicular from the center of circle 3, that is c of minus 1 comma 5 to the equation 2. So we have to apply the formula of foot of perpendicular we studied in first year 1B chapter in straight lines. H minus x1 divided by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here a value is 3, b value is minus 2. This equation of line comparing with so 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0 is there now, the tangent equation that. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2. So x1 y1 is center of the equation 3, equation circle, minus 1 comma 5, that is x1 y1. So h minus x1 value is minus of minus 1 by a value is 3, k minus y1 value is 5 divided by b value is minus 2 equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Minus of ax1 means 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5 minus 13 by 9 plus 4, 13. Minus of minus 26 by 13, 13 ones are 13 twos are. So h plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 and k minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to 2. So equating these two, h plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2, h is equal to h plus 1 is equal to 6, h plus 1 is equal to 6, h is equal to 6 minus 1, h is equal to 5. K minus 5 divided by minus 2 equal to 2, k minus 5 equal to minus 4, so k equal to 5 minus 4, k equal to 1. Therefore, the point of contact P of h comma k is equal to P of 5 comma 1. Like this, one more problem is there in the exercise you have to do as a homework. Like this you have to do that. First you have to understand the question. and then start the problem. We'll move to the next question. So this is also like that problem only, but here direct concept is given. One more. Show that x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0 and find its point of contact. So here two questions are there in this. Show that x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle. Whenever they are asking to find the line touches the circle, we have to prove that radius is equal to perpendicular distance. That is the first step. And find its point of contact. From circle center to the line, you calculate put of perpendicular, that is called point of contact. These are the two important steps in this question. We'll discuss the first step. Step 1. Given line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, equation 1, and given circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. This equation compared with general equation of circle 2g equal to minus 3, g equal to minus 3 by 2. 2f equal to 7, f equal to 7 by 2, c equal to 14. Center of the circle minus g minus f. So minus of minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 is the center of the circle. Radius of the circle also can calculate. R equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So 3 by 2 whole square plus minus 7 by 2 whole square minus c. So minus 14. So 9 by 4 plus 49 by 4 minus 14. So now 49 plus 9 is 58 by 4 minus 14. So 58 minus 56 by 4. Root of 2 by 4, which is equal to 2 ones are to 2s are. Root 1 by root 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore the radius of the circle is equal to 1 by root 2. After that we have to calculate the perpendicular distance from circle center 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to this line. Find the perpendicular distance. So mod ax1, that means in place of x comma y, 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 substitute. 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square. A value 1, b value 1. When you compare with this line with ax plus by plus c, a equal 1, b equal 1, c equal 1. So root of 1 square plus 1 square. So minus 2, if is 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 is minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 means minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Mod minus 1 is plus 1. 1 by root 2. D is equal to 1 by root 2. R is equal to D. Now we observe that R value is 1 by root 2, D value is 1 by root 2. Whenever R is equal to D, the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle equation 2. Here first step completed here. Come to the second step. Second step is what? Finding point of contact. Point of contact is equal to put of perpendicular from center of the circle 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation when you compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. So write the formula for put of perpendicular, that is point of contact here. H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So now h minus 3 by 2 divided by a value 1 equal to k minus of minus 7 by 2 by 1 equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c means this numerator value only will come here. So 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1, that value will become as minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 will come. So h minus 3 by 2 equal to k plus 7 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Equating these two and equating these two, we will get the values of h comma k. H is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. Therefore h is equal to 2. K equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2, that is minus 6 by 2. Minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. So h is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 3. Therefore the point of contact P of h comma k equal to P of 2 comma minus 3. This is the way we have to do the sums. When they ask to calculate touch the circle, the line touches the circle, and finding point of contact. We'll move to the next question. Find the equation of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to the x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. First we have to take that equation of circle and get radius of the circle and compare with general equation of circle. 2g equal to minus 4, g equal to minus 2, 2f equal to 6, f equal to 3, c equal to minus 12, and find the radius. R equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So root of 4 plus 9 plus 12 root 25, which is equal to 5. R value we got it. Given line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Slope of this line minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Otherwise if you take ax plus by plus c minus a by b minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. Whenever slope value we know that and radius we know that, therefore the equation of tangent and the required tangent is what? Parallel to this line. Parallel to this line means their slopes are equal. So the required tangent slopes is also equal to minus 1 with radius r. So the equation of tangents to equation 1 which are parallel to equation 2 are y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square, and substitute the value of m, r and g comma f. So y plus f, y plus 3 equal to m value is minus 1, x minus 2 plus or minus r value is 5 into square root of 1 plus m square, m value is minus 1 whole square. So y plus 3 equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 into root 2. These values, these complete values we are taking this side. So plus x plus y plus 3 minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. That is x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is parallel to the condition. Find the equation of tangents to the circle which are parallel to the line. And come to the next question, perpendicular case. Both are important for 4 marks. Find the equations of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, which are perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. As usual procedure, first given equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, and compare with general equation of circle g equal to 1, f equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 3. So radius of circle g square plus f square minus c. So 1 plus 1 minus of minus 3. So root of 1 plus 1 plus 3, it is root 5. Radius is equal to root 5. Given line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So find the slope of this line minus a by b minus 3 by minus 1. Therefore minus minus get cancelled. M is equal to 3. But here the question is the equations of tangents to equation 1 which are perpendicular to equation 2. Which are perpendicular to equation 2. Perpendicular means wherever m is there, you have to replace with minus 1 by m. Perpendicular slope. If the line slope is m, perpendicular slope is obviously minus 1 by m. So y plus f, wherever the formula is the m is there in the formula, you can write that minus 1 by m. Y plus f equal to minus 1 by m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Substitute m, r and g, f values in this formula. Y minus 1 equal to minus 1 by m value is 3. X plus g, g value is 1 plus or minus root 5 into square root of 1 plus minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9. After taking LCM, this root value 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 9 will come, and 9 we can take outside of the root, in the denominator it will come as 2, 3. Y minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 plus or minus root 5 into root 10, root 5 into root 10 is root 50 by 3. So from this side 3 take common and we can take this side. Therefore, it will become 3 into y minus 1 equal to minus of x plus 1 plus or minus root 50. So, minus of x plus 1 we can take this side plus x plus 1. 3 into y minus 1 is 3y minus 3 equal to plus or minus 50 can be written as 25 into 2. 25 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 5 root 2. These values we can take this side. Plus or minus 5 root 2 we can take this side. We will get again plus or minus only. Minus plus of course it is. So 3y minus 3 plus x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. X plus 3y minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Which is the required equation of tangent which are perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. We will discuss in the next class more 2 to 3 problems which are belonging to 1C exercise. Thank you very much.